Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm happy to have you guys back here in CoinxDaProducer. Today, I just want to share with you guys a very brief update on Serato Sampler. This is especially for beatmakers that are into sampling. As you all know, Serato Sampler has been one of the best sampling plugin. Today, I want to announce to you their latest update, version 2.0, which has an amazing feature that I'm going to share with you guys today. So let me quickly bring it up and show you. Serato now have the ability to split stems. What do I mean by that? Now, when you load up a track, a finished track, like a mastered track, you have the ability to separate the lead voice, the instruments, the drums, and all that. And that is really amazing. This feature they introduced has completely changed the game for beatmakers. So guys, let's have a quick demonstration to see how it works. As you can see here, I already uploaded a track. Alright guys, so what I want to do is to mute the vocals and let's see how good this stem separation is. So all you need to do is to go over to this section. You see a mic icon, a keyboard icon, a guitar icon, and a drum icon. If we want to isolate the vocal, all you need to do is just to click on the one you want to remove. Alright guys, let's have a quick preview. Alright, so now let's remove the drum, the guitar, the piano, and listen to only the vocals. I say, don't let any man steal your joy away. No. Isn't that incredible? This is amazing. So let's listen to just the piano. Wow. I think this should be the bass. That's nice. Then the drums. So guys, as you can see, this is a tool that I would recommend anybody to go and get it because it will really help you in your production process and also to an extent step up your game in beat making. So if you want me to have a detailed tutorial on how to use Serato in your beat making process, like sampling and all that, just let me know in the comment section and I'll do my possible best to create a well-detailed video on how to use Serato. So guys, that will be it for today. Stay creative, stay safe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.